in this pot, guys, I have 2 bags of sorrel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some grated ginger. So I'm making a very, very delicious, refreshing Christmas drink.
She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing from their kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious.
And I'm going to allow it to draw.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe.
So guys, here it is, and it smells wonderful.
And turn on the post notification bell,
the color
so you'll be notified whenever she
now I'm going to strain it off, and we're going to sweeten up this delicious sorrel and cranberry drink. Very refreshing, guys.
Run, go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC.
Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to sweeten the sorrel and cranberry, and you can sweeten yours to your own liking, okay? So I'm going to taste it now, guys. Look at that. Look how that is rich in color. Alright, let me taste it now and tell you guys how it is tasting. Wow, thumbs up the video, guys. Very, 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 very delicious, very refreshing, great for this Christmas on your dinner table. So guys, I'm gonna come right back. Guys, so I'm going to cover these. There you have it, guys. Refreshing sorrel cranberry juice. Try out the recipe, guys. Very simple, easy to make. Very, very refreshing, guys, and delicious. Great for your body. Thumbs up the video, guys, and if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, touch my post notification bell so you will be alerted when I post a new video. Happy holidays to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you. More blessings to you guys. Thanks again. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Put God first in everything that you're doing. What would be good, and good will always follow you. Take care of yourselves, guys. And remember to like the video. I'm going to see you again in another one. Bye.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run, go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.